This is homework problem section 7.2 on page 350, number 9. H equals 6g minus 4, h equals negative 2g plus 28. Since the h's equal an equation on each part, we're going to set the h's equal to each other, giving us a resulting equation of 6g minus 4 equals negative 2g plus 28. We now need to get to the g's on both sides of the equation to one side of the equation, so we move the smaller negative 2g over to the larger 6g, moving all the g's to the left-hand side. So we're going to add 2g to both sides. Our resulting equation is 8g minus 4 equals 28. We now need to move the 4 over to the other side of the equation to isolate the 8g by itself, giving us a new equation of 8g equals 32. To solve for g now, we divide both sides by 8, giving us g equals a value of 4. Remember, when you're doing these kinds of equations, to keep your equal signs lined up so you can get an equation that is neat and orderly in appearance and consistent. We now have solved for the first variable in our problem. We have to solve for the second variable, which is h. So we're going to take our value and we're going to choose the first equation arbitrarily, h equals 6g minus 4, and we're going to input the value that we just got of positive 4 in for the value of g. H now equals 24 minus 4, which is 20. We now have solved for the second variable in our equation. We need to check our variables now into this other equation. Since we used the first one to solve, we use the second one to check. So h equals negative 2g plus 28 from our second equation. We plug in the value 20 for h. We plug in the value 4 for g, giving us 20 equals negative 8 plus 28. Obviously 20 now equals 20, so it does check. So our answer is a point. It is the point g comma h. The reason it is g comma h is because it's alphabetical, so that's the point 4 comma 20.